guys, it's your girl Brandy back again with another video on today. And today I have my mom in the video and I am about to cut her locks. She has been growing her locks for how long, Mom?
6 years.
About 6 years. And now it's time for a change, so here's her big chop. Alright everybody, so as you can see my mom has locks. She was here last week and had me braid them, so I'm going to have to unbraid them first because I'm a free hand cut them, and I'm gonna show you why. Alright guys, so I'm trying to see if you can see. So basically right here my mom has all growth. Hold on. So right here is like her new growth. This is where her lock starts. So I'm a free for all cut each one. Yes. I'm gonna cut it right as where the lock starts. You ready, Mama?
Yeah.
Are you sure you want me to cut your hair?
Oh, she can't cut down here if I cut.
Gone. One down. Many more to go. Alright guys, so her hair is all cut off. I am going to use the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. And I'm going to condition her hair. And then I'm going to put the Briogeo deep conditioner in her hair. And then we're having a barber come and even out her hair tomorrow. So this is part one, day one. I'm about to comb everything out because I cut it right as the lock was starting. So all that build up and product build up, we're about to wash and clear all that out and get her curls popping. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're back with day number 2 and on my mom's hair, all the lovely gray. And so what we're gonna do is take a spray bottle full of water. She wet it up a little bit in the shower, but it started to dry out, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with water, get it nice and juicy, as she would say. What is it, Mama? Jerry curl juice?
Oh, too juicy.
It's gonna be juicy.
That's cold.
It's cold.
Got that bread hitting the juice.
Alright. It needs a little juice, girl. Water is moisture. So as you guys can see, we combed out her hair and got all that dead product out of it yesterday from her locks. And the barber did not come. She didn't want the barber to come and cut it. So we're just going to do what we can do to it today. So I'm going to start with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Going to use a little bit of this on her hair. About that much. We're going to rub it in. You like how that smells?
Smells like pineapple.
It's coconut hibiscus.
Something to me. I'm hungry. Oh, it's coconut. Not only am I going to be curly, but I'm going to be hungry.
Hungry and curly? Alright, so then I'm going to take my Curls Poppin' Pineapple Collection, the Curl Defining Jelly. We're gonna use some of this in her hair.
You got pineapple, coconut, like a fruit basket up there.
Clearly, I'm down to my end.
So that's what you put on your hair to make your hair, because your hair curly too.
Yeah. So if you guys could see, I hope you could see this, but her curls is popping already. But I'm gonna use that little comb brush thingy that I used to comb out her hair yesterday. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take my little brush here and I'm gonna go ahead and comb through it again so you can really see her curls. Which in the camera, her curl, yeah, girl, your curls is really getting
All over?
Mm-hmm. You have a few like straight pieces still. I think like from the lock. Oops, sorry. And that's because I didn't really cut it all the way even, you know. And my mom has a couple of problem areas. She has like a little bald spot here in the middle. And Mama, be quiet. A lot of people go through it, and thinning on the sides. So
we're gonna cover that up.
if y'all know anybody that have the thinning on the sides or, you know, little situations in the middle, comment down below. Tell her she should not be ashamed. And that's why we're working on a natural hair solution now for her. So then I'm gonna take a little bit of this Eco Styler gel and I'm gonna put it on her edges and I'm gonna try to slick those down. Take my thin comb and just swoop the sides a little bit there. Alright, and then last but not least, I'm taking the OGX coconut oil. And I'm going to spray some on her hair to give it that shine. And that's it. And so we'll be right back once it dries a little bit. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, guys. My mom thinks she's so cute. Look at her right here. Bam!